Students, in this part of the video, you will be informed about different types of networks, their advantages and disadvantages will be discussed. It is chapter number 5, computer networks, and the topic is network architecture. What is network architecture? It is a layout of network that consists of computers and many other network devices. A network can be as small as 2 computers, or it can also connect thousands of computers together in a computer network. Computers can be connected through wires, or wireless connection can also be established. Three types of network architectures are commonly used, which are client-server, peer-to-peer, and point-to-point network. First type of network layout is client-server network. As by the name you can recognize that in this network there will be a server computer and the client computers. In this client-server computer network, a server which is a main or a powerful computer, and then client computers are the computers which are connected to this server computer, which has less resources. If anything is required by the client computers, these client computers will request the resources to the server, and server will give the resources to the client computers which are attached to it. In the client server network, you can make a network of small computer network that consists of 2 computers, or you can attach thousands of computers in this network. Client server network provides you a centralized security because there is a central computer which is known as server, and for managing so many client computers in this network, a person known as network administrator is responsible for sharing resources, creating user accounts, and assigning privileges to all the users on this network. Here I have mentioned the characteristics of client server networks, which are all explained in this video also. The second type of computer network is peer-to-peer network. In the peer-to-peer network, there is no client computer or there is no server computer. Each computer has equal opportunity. Each of the computer in this network is capable of sharing and as well as accessing the resources which are on this network. Each computer on this network is known as peer. These are the major characteristics of peer-to-peer network. In the peer-to-peer network, as I told you, all computers have the same status. Computers on this networks are known as peer, and if you cannot manage the large peer-to-peer network, so it is suitable for the small networks, and there is no centralized security, and hence no network administrator is required for managing the client or some other computers. The third type of network is point-to-point network, and in this type of network, transmission is done through computer networks. In this example, if this system want to send message to any other system which is present in another country or a city, it will send the message to another network, and this network will send the message to the destination computer. Wide area network is an example of point-to-point network in which countries and the cities are also connected together. These are the major characteristics of point-to-point network, where data transmission is done through the use of computers, and it is used for the long distance computer, like we have mentioned the example of man. And in the point-to-point networks, there are many paths available, so it is a secure network. So the next topic is network based on the geographical area covered by the networks, and on the basis of this area coverage, networks are classified into these networks like LAN, WAN, metropolitan area network, personal area network, Bluetooth, and internet. Local area network is the smallest area network. It can connect only nearby networks. Example, if we connect network of SLS satellite town seniors with the network of satellite town junior branch, it will create a local area network. And coming toward the characteristics of local area network, it covers a small area network. Because it is small geographically, that's why it is fast and problem rarely occurs, and data transmission medium is owned by the user organization. A wide area network is geographically the largest area network. It is a combination of many small networks. These small networks can be LANs and MANs which are connected together. And internet is a good example of a wide area network because it is also a combination of many networks. And concluding the characteristics of wide area network, it is a large area network which can connect cities and countries together. It is large network, hence it is slow and problems occur. And the medium of wide area network is leased lines, telephone line, or a satellite connections can be used as a medium of wide area network. This is a metropolitan area network. It is bigger than LAN but smaller than WAN. Example of metropolitan area network is the network created by companies to give the internet and television cable services. And characteristics of metropolitan area networks are: it can connect several networks of a city. It is slower than LAN but faster than a WAN. Communication medium is fiber optic cable or a microwave wireless connection can also be used. Personal area network is even smaller than LAN. It is geographically very small, hence it is fast, secure and reliable. It can be wired or wireless. Bluetooth is an example of PAN. Users can share and access information after completing the process of pairing. In Bluetooth network, there is no need of cable. It can transmit text, images, audio, and video files. If the connected or the paired devices are not in range, connection will be lost. Internet is another large area network. Internet stands for the international network, means the network which connects millions of users around the world. Each computer on the internet has a unique address which is called IP address. IP stands for the Internet Protocol. These are the advantages of using internet. Internet can provide you a source of communication through which you can communicate to one another which are not close to you geographically. Like these are the social websites through which you can connect to any of your friend which is living abroad, which is outside the country also. Another very important advantage of internet is information. It is a source of information. Students can learn a lot of things from the internet. You can buy the books, you can read the articles using internet. Online shopping and online reservation is also the example or the use of internet. Last is www is widely used system to access the internet. It is a world wide web. www is a collection of websites available on the internet. A website has related web pages inside it. To access any website, user has to write the web address called URL in the browser. In the Google, or you can use it on the Opera. You have to write the URL address in the this bar and you can search the information.